Hello, kids! Today, we're going to hear an exciting story about a young boy who became a hero. It's a story from the Bible about courage, faith, and how even the smallest person can do great things. Are you ready? Let's dive into the story of David and Goliath. Once upon a time, there was a young shepherd boy named David. He wasn't big or strong, but he had a brave heart and loved God with all his might. David spent his days taking care of his family's sheep, singing songs, and trusting God to protect him. Far away, there was trouble brewing. A giant named Goliath was terrifying David's people. Goliath was huge, bigger than any man they had ever seen. Every day, he shouted, "Who will fight me? If I win, you will be our slaves." But no one was brave enough to face him. He looked too scary. One day, David brought food to his brothers, who were soldiers. When he saw Goliath, he said, "Why is everyone afraid? I will fight him." Everyone laughed. "You're just a boy," they said. But David knew something important. God was on his side. David went to King Saul and said, "Don't worry, I'll fight Goliath. God has helped me protect my sheep from lions and bears. He will help me now." The king gave David his armor, but it was too heavy. So David took only his slingshot and 5 smooth stones. As Goliath stomped toward David, he roared, "You fight me? You're just a child." But David wasn't afraid. And he said, "I have come in the name of the God of Israel." He put a stone in his slingshot, swung it around, and let it fly. Whoosh! The stone hit Goliath right on the forehead. Bam! The giant fell to the ground with a loud thud. The crowd cheered. David had defeated the giant, not with strength, but with faith in God. The people learned that day that no matter how small you are, with God, you can overcome any challenge. Wow! Wasn't that an amazing story? David teaches us that we don't need to be the biggest or strongest to do big things. All we need is faith, courage, and trust in God. Remember, kids, no matter how small you feel, you can be a hero too.